I just got finished working out. I'm staying here in Dubai, in downtown Dubai. I'm renting out an Airbnb. It's about 3 million dirhams, which is about $1 million Canadian and about like 900,000 USD. So I'm here for like 6 days and I'm working out right now. So I'll just show you guys the gym, how it looks like. It's a very expensive condo, right? And so I'll just show you guys how the gym looks like, what's included, and what comes with it, just to give you guys a cool tour. So I'll just turn the camera around and I'll just show you what's inside here. I'm sorry, I'm tired. So I just finished working out, so I'm gonna do this pretty quick. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a really fun video. All right, we have here squats, we have barbells. I just did this. This is my favorite machine. I did some pull-ups, I did some dips. So yeah, a really good one. And then you have here just open space here for legs and stuff. I don't do legs here, but here, let me show you. I did the treadmill here, ran for like 10 minutes. Bike I didn't get to do. And then I did some push-ups here. This is pretty good too. And then you have here a yoga place. Some people are working out, so I don't want to record everyone. But yeah, it's a good yoga place. Nice view outside. And yeah, so this is how it looks like. This is downtown Dubai. Let me show you guys the washrooms. It's pretty nice. It looks like a hotel in here. This is for men. Big door. It always smells really nice here. Look at this. Locker room. Look how big the mirrors are. Okay. And let me show you the shower. What a beautiful shower, right? The rainfall shower. Come here, take a shower. Washrooms, that's how it looks like. Yeah, so this is the tour. I hope you guys like the gym. I'll do a tour of my my Airbnb. It's a 2-bedroom, has a balcony. It's on the 21st floor. And like I said, it's $3 million. 3 million dirhams, which is about $1 million Canadian. So I'll show you how that looks like. It's pretty cool. And so you guys will have an idea of the cost. I'll be breaking down all the different costs of everything that I have, right, in this entire trip. So make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment below what else you would like me to record on this trip to Dubai. And I'll make sure to include that and give you guys the expenses, the income and everything. All right, so this was just the gym tour. I'll maybe go outside, I'll do a tour there too. So stay tuned. All right guys, so now I'm going to be doing a tour of the apartment that I'm renting out. This is in downtown Dubai. I'm living in this apartment. It's 3 million dirham, which is about $1 million Canadian, about 900 USD. So I was also shocked. I didn't know it was going to be that expensive, the value of this place. But let me just show you how this looks like and, you know, just how it is. So yeah, let me just go ahead and flip the camera. Let me show you guys. Okay, all right, so in this room, there's 2 single beds here. You have a little side table here, and then you have 2 big closets. And then this is a window, a really nice view. Let me show you guys. So you see that building with the lights? You can see it from here, and look how high we are. It's pretty high. You can get a really nice view from here. It's nighttime right now, so really nice view. Okay, they have like a mirror here. You can look at yourself. Okay, and then there's some space here for putting your luggage. So the sockets over here, these are the sockets we have here. They're not like the ones in Canada or in the US. So if you are traveling here, make sure to get those types of sockets so you can plug in your devices. Right, this is a light switch. Let me show you the other room. All right, so here we have a dining table. Okay, nice flowers here. This is a really big bed. I think this is a queen bed. And side table, headrest, some nice paintings. 2 big closets. And a nice washroom. I'm not sure where to turn the light on, but let me just show you how this looks like. Yeah, so there's 2 sinks here. Really big mirror. There's a bathtub here, and that's it. That's how it looks like. Right, another side table. Let me show you outside view here. So there's no balcony in the window in this bedroom, but look how high we are. This is the 21st floor. Look at that. Okay, let me show you. This comes with two washrooms. So let me show you the other one. Okay, here is the other washroom. So this is the sink, mirror, really big, toilet. This is how the floor looks like, washroom. This is a standing shower. So this is the second one. I'll just show you how that looks like. There you go, that's how it is. And then let me just show you the living room and the kitchen as well. This is how the kitchen looks like. A big table, dining table, there's 6 chairs. They have a mirror here, to look at yourself before leaving. They have a fridge, keyhole here just to check who's coming. So that's nice. Fridge, it's pretty big. And then the other side, so a lot of space for storage. 2 sinks. They have some plates, really nice cabinets, a stove, microwave, toaster, kettle, coffee maker. They have like sugar and stuff as well. Some stuff there. And more plates, fire extinguisher, garbage. And let me show you the living room. Right here is another really big sofa here. And then you have a table in the middle, a stand here for ironing your clothing, TV stand. So that's how it looks like. I sleep here. And let me show you guys the outside. Okay, so this is the balcony. They have a table, they have a chair, table, another chair, and look at the view here. Absolutely amazing, right? Look at this. So look at all these lights. They're so nice. And then after these lights here, there's water in the back. So all that is like water. So that's why you see no other lights here. In the daytime you see the water, at nighttime you can't. And just look at how nice this is. The building gets lighted up with lights. It's so easy to see some really nice cars from very far away. Like in the morning I was watching some Porsches drive by. They're just so nice. This is the other building next door. They have a pool here. Yeah, and look how beautiful that is. These two buildings are connected, and in the middle, on the top of that roof, there's a pool there. So whoever's living here, you can go all the way on top. That's crazy, right? Like over here, we have a pool on the bottom, and in that building, you have a pool all the way on top. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So this is the view. This is how it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Alright guys, so I did a tour of the Airbnb that we were staying in. It was very expensive, $3 million, right? 3 million dirhams, very expensive. That's because we're in downtown Dubai and it's very pricey here. So it's just a 2-bedroom and 2-washroom place. So yeah, you see how nice it was, right? It's actually not super big. I think it was like less than 1,000 square feet. And yeah, it's like 3 million dirham. Absolutely amazing, right? Absolutely crazy how expensive it is, right? Or how high the price is. So, but yeah, it was definitely worth it. It was a really good experience. It was close by to the Dubai Mall. We could just walk there, and yeah, so it comes out to about 1 million Canadian dollars, or about 900 US dollars to be able to get one of these condos in this building. So I hope you guys enjoy this tour. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos.
I'll be doing tours. I'll be showing you guys my expenses, how much it costs, to go to these places, to travel, the flights, hotels, food, Uber, all of these expenses, for shopping, all that stuff. So if you have any questions about Dubai, about downtown Dubai, if you want me to make videos, or if you have any questions about it, let me know, and I'll make sure to document it for you guys in the next videos coming up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.